Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be discussing the benefits of the ketogenic, or keto, diet for weight loss and overall health. First of all, it's important to understand what the keto diet is all about. The keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has been shown to have numerous health benefits. When following the diet, the goal is to get the majority of your daily calories from healthy fats, while limiting your intake of carbohydrates. One of the main benefits of the keto diet is its effectiveness for weight loss. By cutting out carbs and increasing your fat intake, your body enters a state of ketosis, in which it begins to burn fat for energy instead of carbs. This can lead to significant weight loss, particularly in people who are carrying excess weight. In addition to its weight loss benefits, the keto diet has also been shown to improve several markers of overall health. Some of the potential health benefits of the keto diet include improved blood sugar control. The keto diet has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a useful tool for managing diabetes and prediabetes. Increased mental clarity and focus. Many people who follow the keto diet report increased mental clarity and focus, likely due to the increased fat intake and improved blood sugar control. Lower risk of heart disease. Some studies have found that the keto diet may be associated with a lower risk of heart disease, likely due to its positive effects on blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Improved physical performance. The keto diet may also improve physical performance, particularly in endurance activities, as it allows the body to more efficiently use fat as a fuel source. It's important to note that the keto diet is not for everyone. However, for those who are able to stick to the diet and see the benefit, the keto diet can be a powerful tool for improving weight loss and overall health. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about the keto diet, be sure to leave a comment below. For more details on the complete weight loss plan and keto diet, the link is in the description.